moving on to structuring of your PPC campaigns. This is a very critical aspect of your Amazon advertising journey. One should have a really good structure, and you should really plan out how you create these campaigns. What are the different types of campaigns? How do you intend to advertise your products, structure the keywords, structure the ad groups, and target those specific keywords in your campaigns. It helps us have control on where we are spending the money. It helps us understand and scale up the advertising as and when we garner more sales, right? Now, how does one structure your campaigns? So there are different metrics, there are different criteria to keep in mind when you're creating and deciding on the structure for your campaign. So it starts off with the intent, the product variation, the audience that you're trying to target, and the budget, right? So you need to keep all these in mind. You need to understand, you need to decide what is it that you're trying to achieve out of that campaign. Are you trying to increase the brand awareness? Are you trying to optimize the campaigns? Are you looking at scaling up the business through those products that you're planning to advertise? So we would suggest to group products based on variations, based on the intent of that particular product, deciding on what kind of audience you're trying to reach out to, what kind of keywords that you're trying to reach out to. So these are the key critical aspects that you need to keep in mind when creating the campaign, so that it can always be, so that you can scale up the business, because this is an ongoing process and not a one-time thing, as I mentioned earlier.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're running on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.